On October 6th, Nintendo released their special edition Mario Red Switch and Switch OLED that was announced in the September Direct. The Mario Red edition comes with a pair of red Joy-Cons and a red dock. Mario Red Switch will cost you anywhere between $300 and $350. But if you don't want to spend that much money on a new OLED, there might be another option for you. Hori released the split pad compact on September 12th that includes the Apricot Red edition, which honestly looks a lot better than the Mario Red, and it feels more natural to play on handheld. You also might want to consider getting the Volcano Red Switch Pad Pros, also by Hori. I currently have them in black, and these are my favorite Joy-Cons to play with. They're super comfortable, and they make my OLED look like a brand new console. These Joy-Cons are super clean, and they feel so much more comfortable when you're playing some games like Super Smash Bros. The only downside about these is you can't use them separately in two-player mode. But there is an attachment you can buy online that allows you to play them as a separate controller from the Switch console. You can find the Split Pad Compact for only $40 on Amazon. That's a fraction of the price of the Mario Red OLED. I also wanted to add that the Pro and the Compact were both licensed by Nintendo. That means you don't have to worry about it damaging your Switch. Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think of these two controllers. So like and subscribe. Peace.